Good morning everyone. In conjunction with the BII magazine, I'm going to do a video demonstration on the steak sandwich recipe. We've got our ingredients all ready this morning. We've got steak, tomato, onions, lettuce, mustard mayonnaise and the ciabatta bread. Okay. The steak we're using today is a 5-ounce rump steak, and we're going to do a pan fry-in, because I know that everyone's got char grills or all grills. The onions are going to go in with the steak at the end, and we're going to serve it on the ciabatta. I'm just going to pop this in the oven to warm. Into my pan, a little bit of cooking oil, some butter, turn the pan high and just let it melt down. With the steak I'm going to season it, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper on both sides. And it's ready to go into my pan. I'm going to cook the steak today to about medium. That's the way most people prefer it. Some people like to go for a well done. Most people are both going to have a medium. Here I've got the whole grain mustard, and I've got some good quality mayonnaise. I'm actually using Hellman's mayonnaise today. Mixing it in together. That's ready to go. Steak sealed on one side now, so I'm just turning it over. I'm going to let it cook away there. Well, the steak's almost cooked to medium now. And you put the onions in around the steak, let them cook. And I've got to say it smells absolutely delicious. Those onions go around. I'm going to reduce the heat down a little bit. I'm now going to take the steak out, put it on the board and leave it to rest. I'll let the onions just carry on cooking along there. Give a nice bit of colour. On the board, the steak's out. It's most important to leave it to rest. Let's give the fibres a chance to relax, shrink down a bit, and make the steak go a lot tenderer. Okay, I'll leave them out. Take our mayonnaise mix, give it a generous spread on the top of the bread and on the bottom. So plenty of it going on, there's lots and lots of flavour. Then onto the bottom of the bread, I'm going to put some mixed lettuce leaves. Now I'm going to cut the steak now. It's very important to cut against the grain. You don't want to cut with the grain, otherwise the steak becomes very hard to eat. Cut it on a slant. It's absolutely beautiful. And then stick it onto the bread. Put the onion on top of the bread now. A couple of slices of tomato. Which doesn't want to stick on there. A little bit more salt. A little twist of pepper. The whole sandwich onto a board, then top it with the top. Now that looks like an absolutely perfect steak sandwich to me.